गाइस, जैसा कि आज मेरा लेक्चर 5 है बैंकिंग सेक्टर से MCQs 100, जो कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा आपके लिए यूज़फुल होगा। जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके लिए। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं। विच बैंक पार्टनर्ड विथ पूनावाला FinCorp to launch the co-branded रुपे क्रेडिट कार्ड? तो गाइस, इसका करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी होगा, इंडसलैंड बैंक। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which bank led PSU banks is business growth during FY24? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन ए, बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। What does the surety bond बीमा product launched by SBI General Insurance aim to secure? Correct answer option B, infrastructure projects. Next question. Which bank became the first trading cum clearing TCM member at India International Bullion Exchange IIBX? Guys, correct answer option C, State Bank of India. Next question. Which bank which bank introduced Pixel Play India's primer virtual credit card partnered with Visa? Correct answer option D, HDFC Bank. Next question. Which institutions collaborated with the Atal Innovation Mission to allocate rupees 19.6 crore in grants to support 170 social startups in FY24? Correct answer option A, HDFC Bank. Next question. Which bank has introduced UPI for NRIS using international mobile numbers? Correct answer option C, ICICI Bank. Next question. As per the revised guidelines by RBI, what is the maximum risk for custodian banks issuing irre- irre- irrevocable payments commitments, IPCS? Correct answer option B, 30%. Next question. Which bank recently joined the League of Top 5 Companies by market value after HDFC Bank? Correct answer option D, ICICI Bank. Next question. Which bank has partnered with Tata Motors to provide financing solution for its commercial vehicles customers and dealership? Correct answer option C, South India Bank. Next question. Which bank collaborated with ANQ to launch PI and PHI credit cards, PI and FI? Correct answer option B, S Bank. Next question. Which company has joined India's top 5 companies by market capitalization surpassing rupees 18 trillion? Correct answer option C, ICICI Bank. Next question. Which organization has partnered with the RBI Innovation Hub to accelerate digital agricultural lending? Correct answer option C, NABARD. Next question. Which bank faced a 10% share price drop due to RBI restrictions? Correct answer option D, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next question. Which payment method is promoted by rupees like it forget it campaign at IPL 2024? Correct answer option D, Rupee. Next question. Which entity has launched NCMC enabled debit and prepaid cards in collaboration with NPCI? Correct answer option A, Airtel Payments Bank. Next question. Which bank was banned by the RBI from onboarding new customers on its mobile app due to cyber fraud concerns? Correct answer option C, Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda. Next question, which bank became the first private bank to open a branch in Lakshadweep? Correct answer option D, HDFC Bank. Next question, which bank participated in the first credit default swap CDS trade under new RBI guidelines? Correct answer option A, SBI. Next question, which company collaborated with Jammu and Kashmir Bank to introduce the virtual ATM VATM facility? Correct answer option C, Paymart India. Next question, which bank has launched healthcare loans and saving accounts specifically tailored from women? Correct answer option B, Canara Bank. Next question, which bank has merged with AU Small Finance Bank, solidifying its presence in South India? Correct answer option C, Finecare Small Finance Bank. Next question, what percentage of stake does HDFC Bank plan to divest in HDFC Education and Development Services? Correct answer option C, 100%. Next question, which bank has launched digital US dollar fixed deposits for NRI customers at Gift City, Gujarat? Correct answer option C, Axis Bank. Next question, what is the reason for the cancellation of Karvei Investor Services Ltd's registration as a merchant banker by SEBI? Correct answer option B, breach of eligibility criteria. Next question, which bank has successfully acquired Sonata Finance Private Limited for a total consideration of approximately rupees 537 crore? Correct answer option A, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next question, which bank launched the Flash Pay Rupee Smart Keychain in partnership with NPCI for contactless payments? Correct answer option A, Federal Bank. Next question, in which year were regional rural banks RRBS founded? Correct answer option C, 1975. Next question, which bank announced a $250 million lending support for startups and new economy companies in India? Correct answer option C, DBS Bank. Next question, which bank has partnered with the Indian Olympic Association for the Paris Olympics 2024? Correct answer option A, S Bank. Next question, what was the total gold reserve of the Reserve Bank of India RBI after acquiring 8.7 tons in January? Correct answer option C, 812.3 tons. Next question, with whom did SANY India sign an MOU to provide finance solution for infrastructure projects in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh? Correct answer option A, Jammu and Kashmir Bank. Next question, what is the percentage share of private sector banks in total deposits as of December 2023? Correct answer option B, 34%. Next question, what financial product did the Reserve Bank of India RBI direct the Federal Bank and South Indian Bank to stop issuing new co-branded versions of? Correct answer option D, credit cards. Next question, which bank has launched the BOB Earth Green Term Deposit Scheme? Correct answer option A, Bank of Baroda. Next question, which company has partnered with SBI for its transaction banking platform? Correct answer option A, or Orino Pro. Next question, which company did IndusLand Bank collaborate with to launch Indus Payware offering tokenized wearables wearables for debit and credit cards? Correct answer option D, Mastercard. Next question, which which institutions signed a memorandum of understanding MOU with the Reserve Bank of India RBI to promote cross border transaction using local currencies? Correct answer option B, Bank Indonesia. Next question, how many banks have joined RBI's UDGM Udgam portal for unclaimed deposits? Correct answer option C, 30 banks. Next question, which bank launched the Smart Choice Gold Loan targeted towards aspirational customers? Correct answer option D, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next question, with which bank has Flipkart partnered to introduce its UPI services, Flipkart UPI? Correct answer option C, Axis Bank. Next question, which company has announced a strategic partnership with Jana Small Finance Bank Limited for digital banking? Correct answer option B, Dwara Money. Next question, which fintech startup has partnered with 5 Indian banks to introduce a virtual ATM service? Correct answer option B, Paymart. Next question, which bank secured 7 awards at the 19th Banking Tech Conference? Correct answer option A, City Union Bank. Next question, which institution signed an agreement with the Reserve Bank of India RBI to integrate the Unified Payments Interface UPI of India and the National Payments Interface NPI of Nepal? Correct answer option D, Nepal Rashtriya Bank. Next question, which organization approved payment aggregator Vegnesh to JustPay, Zoho and the Decentro? Correct answer option B, RBI. Next question, what is the repo rate set according to the recently published bi-monthly monetary policy by the Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer option B, 6.5%. Next question, which bank received RBI approval for stake acquisition in 6 banks? Correct answer option A, HDFC Bank. Next question, which bank faced major restrictions from the Reserve Bank of India RBI, including prohibiting new deposits, credit transactions and account top-ups from February 29th onwards? Correct answer option A, Paytm Payments Bank. Next question, which bank has entered into a strategic bancassurance alliance with Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance to offer life insurance? Correct answer option B, ISAF Small Finance Bank. Next question, what is the new name of Bank of Baroda's card subsidiary, formerly known as BOB Financial Solution Limited? Correct answer option C, Bob Card Limited. Next question, which bank recently raised rupees 5,000 crore through the issuance of 10 years infrastructure bonds? Correct answer option D, Bank of Baroda. Next question, In a recent development, which bank has received approval from the Reserve Bank of India for the Life Insurance Corporation of India (LIC) to acquire up to 9.99% aggregate holding? Correct answer option B, HDFC Bank. Next question, which small finance bank received Competition Commission of India (CCI) approval for its merger with AU Small Finance Bank? Correct answer option C, Fine Care Small Finance Bank. Next question, which bank recently achieved the milestone of issuing 20 million active credit cards in India? Correct answer option D, HDFC Bank. Next question, which bank has achieved the milestone of being the first Indian bank to conduct an export finance transaction on Rexil RXIL Global IFSC Limited's International Trade Financing Services platform ITFC? Correct answer option B, S Bank. Next question. Which Indian bank is actively pursuing expansion into Singapore by applying for a banking license? Correct answer option C, HDFC Bank. Next question. Which bank has formed a digital co-lending partnership with Clicks Capital on the UB Co. Lend platform for lending to India's MSME sector? Correct answer option A, Karnataka Bank. Next question, which bank has introduced the Smart Fine digital supply chain finance platform in collaboration with Wifin Solutions? Correct answer option B, S Bank. Next question, which bank has launched the Green Rupee Term Deposit SGRTD to gather funds for supporting environmentally friendly projects in India? Correct answer option B, State Bank of India. Next question, which bank recently introduced the UPI enabled Samman Rupee credit card exclusively for government sector employees? Correct answer option C, IndusLand Bank. Next question, in which city did Power Finance Corporation PFC receive approval from the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) to establish a finance company lending to a nearly 1% rise in its shares? Correct answer option B, Gift City, Gujarat. Next question, who is the newly appointed president of the European Investment Bank? Correct answer option A, Nadia Calvino. Next question, which digital payments app recently secured a payment aggregator PA license from the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) for e-commerce transactions? Correct answer option A, Tata Pay. Next question, what is the new bulk deposit limit set by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) for large urban corporate bank UCBS? Correct answer option D, rupee 1 crore and above. Next question, which category of banks does the RBI classify SBI, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank as? Correct answer option B, domestic systemically important banks, D, SIBS. Next question, which entity received approval from the Reserve Bank of India for the acquisition of a 9.95% stake in Federal Bank and also holds stakes in RBL Bank and Equitas Small Finance Bank? Correct answer option A, ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company. Next question, which regulatory authority has approved the reserve merger of IDFC Ltd Limited with its banking subsidiary IDFC First Bank? Correct answer option A, RBI. Next question, which Indian bank has announced plans plans to sell its entire 100% stake in its New Zealand subsidiary? Correct answer option A, Bank of Baroda. Next question. In which Indian state did the RBI fine four corporative banks, including Progressive Mercantile and Kutch Mercantile? Correct answer option A, Gujarat. Next question. Who has been appointed as the interim managing director, MD, and chief executive officer, CEO of Slice backed Northeast Small Finance Bank, NESFB? Correct answer option B, Satish Kumar Kalra. ऑप्शन बी इसमें करेक्ट होगा. Next question. Who has received the RBI's approval for reappointment as the executive director of ICICI Bank with the term extended from December 23rd, 2023 to December 22, 2025? Correct answer option is Sandeep Batra. Next question. How many payment aggregator licenses did the Reserve Bank of India RBI grant after lifting the year-long ban? Correct answer option is 6. Next question. What led the Reserve Bank of India RBI to impose monetary penalties on 5 cooperative banks, including Indapur Urban Cooperative Bank and the Jan Kalyan Sahakari Bank? Correct answer option B, regulatory compliance defenses. Next question. What are the names of the co-branded credit cards introduced through the collaboration of IDFC, First Bank, LIC cards and MasterCard? Correct answer option C, LIC Classic and LIC Select. Next question. Which bank has received authorization from the Reserve Bank of India RBI to disburse pensions through e-pensions payment orders, EPPOS, for retired Ministry of Railways employees? Correct answer option B, Bandhan Bank. Next question. Which bank launched the Nari Shakti saving account specifically for women? Correct answer option C, Bank of India. Next question. What is the new UPI payment limit set by the Reserve Bank of India for the healthcare and education sectors? Correct answer option A, rupees 1 lakh to rupees 5 lakh. Next question. Which Indian financial institution has been honored with the title Bank of the Year India 2023 by the Banker, a renowned publication under the Financial Times umbrella? Correct answer option C, Federal Bank. Next question. Which company did IDFC First Bank collaborate with to design the first SWYP swap credit card catering to the dynamic preference of the youth? Correct answer option B, MasterCard. Next question. What action did the Reserve Bank of India RBI take regarding the Urban Cooperative Bank in Sitapur, Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer option C, revoke the license. Next question. With which institution did the Reserve Bank of India RBI sign a Memorandum of Understanding MOU on bond clearing settlement? Correct answer option D, Bank of England. Next question. What stake percentage has to Reserve Bank of India RBI approved for SBI Mutual Fund SBI MF to acquire in Karar Vaisya Bank Limited, KVB? Correct answer option A, 9.99%. Next question. Whose reappointment as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, MD and CEO has been approved by the Board of Directors at Bandhan Bank? Correct answer option B, Chandrasekhar Ghosh. Next question. Which bank has partnered with IRM IRMA to promote financial inclusion and literacy in India? Correct answer option B, Axis Bank. Next question. The Reserve Bank of India RBI has imposed a penalty of rupees 12 crore on which bank for breaching rules related to the code of conduct for the bank's directors and for failing to report fraud incidents. Correct answer option B, ICICI Bank. Next question. Which did the Reserve Bank of India RBI recently inaugurate a sub office to strengthen its commitment to financial inclusion and development in the region? Correct answer option C, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. Which Indian banks is implementing an innovative approach to prevent loan defaults by surprising potential defaulters with chocolates during unannounced home visits? Correct answer option B, SBI. Next question. Which investment firm acquired 5 crore shares of IDFC First Bank in a block deal on September 11, 2023? Correct answer option B, GQG Partners. Next question. Who has received RBI approval for reappointment as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, MD and CEO of ICICI Bank? Correct answer option B, Sandeep Bakshi. Next question. Which bank has received RBI approval to make First Process Services as its wholly owned subsidiary? Correct answer option D, ICICI Bank. Next question. Which country launched its inaugural Islamic banking pilot program on September 1st, aiming to explore Sharia-based finance? Correct answer option A, Russia. Next question. Which bank has been authorized by RBI to be the official pension disbursement bank in collaboration with the Central Pension Accounting Office, CPAO? Correct answer option C, Bandhan Bank. Next question. Which bank launched the Infinity Savings accounts with zero domestic transaction fees? Correct answer option C, Axis Bank. Next question. Which of the following banks has grabbed the title rights to for the home international series of the Board of Control for Cricket in India for 3 years? Correct answer option A, IDFC First Bank. Next question. Which bank introduced in innovative customer service points, CSP, functionality that allows customers to seamlessly enroll in essential social security schemes using just their Aadhaar cards? Correct answer option A, State Bank of India, SBI. Next question. The Reserve Bank of India has granted its approval for the amalgamation of which of the following banks with the Jalgaon People's Cooperative Bank? Correct answer option C, Akola Merchant Cooperative Bank. Next question. Which of the following banks has partnered with the Marriott Bonvoy to unveil Marriott's first credit card? Correct answer option D, HDFC Bank. Next question. Clear Trip, a subsidiary of Flipkart, partnered with which prominent private sector bank in India to introduce an innovative travel proposition? Correct answer option C, Axis Bank. Next question and last question. The house of Abhinandan Lodha has formed an alliance with which organization for a joint venture platform for land projects? Correct answer option C, HDFC Advisors. तो गाइज इस तरीके से ये आपके लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट और यूजफुल है, और गाइज इसको आज बेहतर तरीके से आप देख लीजिएगा, क्योंकि आई मीन्स 9 जून डे संडे को आपका एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम है, जो कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा आपके लिए यूजफुल होगा। ओके।